Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for your OSCE exam, this video will help you understand exactly what to say during your ANTT station, which is aseptic non-touch technique. One quick tip before we start. In your OSCE exam, always verbalize your actions. Do not stay silent. Examiners are listening to you, and this can help you gain more marks. This is exactly what I did in my exam. Okay, let's start the station. Hello, good morning. My name is Sarah. I am one of the registered nurse here. Would it be alright, can I touch your wristband? Can I confirm your full name and date of birth, please? Are you allergic to food, medication, or latex? Are you in pain? 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being worst pain. Could you please score your pain? You mean 0, which is no pain, am I correct? I am here to perform wound dressing using aseptic technique. Do I have your consent? I'm going to prepare the equipment needed for the procedure. Please wait for me. If you need anything else, just press the call button. I will now perform hand hygiene and put on gloves and apron. I will clean the trolley from far to near to prevent contamination. I will remove gloves and apron and perform hand hygiene again. I will check all equipment is sterile, packaging intact, dry and not damaged. I will place all equipment on the bottom shelf of the trolley. I will perform hand hygiene and wear an apron. I will move the trolley to the bedside, maintaining patient privacy. I will open the sterile pack, choosing corners only without touching everywhere. I will arrange the sterile field using corners. I will clean the saline bottle for 30 seconds and allow it to dry. I will perform hand hygiene and put on sterile gloves. I will maintain aseptic non-touch technique throughout. I will clean the wound in one direction and avoid contamination. I will apply dressing on. I will ensure the patient is comfortable and replace bed covers. I will dispose of waste appropriately. I will clean the trolley from most contaminated area to least contaminated area. I will perform hand hygiene. Finally, I will document everything. Final tip. Always verbalize your action in OSCE. This helps examiners understand what you are really thinking, and it can help you to achieve full marks. Good luck. If this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.